Welcome back to Addicted to Wax. 1994 Topps Series 1 Baseball sealed pack. 12 bucks. Can't even get a pack nowadays for 12 bucks. 79 cents in 94. I think I opened 92 Topps and it was 55 cents. So a little bit of inflation from 93 to 94. Let's crack this open and see what we get. Okay, looking for gold cards, which are in every pack. Black gold would be even better. Looking at the rookie list for this set, we have not much. Billy Wagner, Mike Piazza, Cliff Floyd. After that, it's kind of Garrett Anderson. Kind of falls off after that. But as far as valuable cards, there are some valuable cards that if you can get a PSA 10 would be, which is very hard. But the Nolan Ryan is last sale 480. The Billy Wagner rookie 200. Piazza's 55. Griffey card, regular Griffey card 72. Ryan Klesko, Chipper Jones 34. So there are some cards you could hit. I mean, grading a PSA 10 might be tough, but I mean, who's sending in 94 Topps to PSA? Maybe I am. Love to get a black gold. I haven't seen one of those in 30 years. Tim Tuffle. Oh, they're all stuck together. Yeah, good luck getting a PSA 10. Rafael Belliard, Jeff Bagwell, a.k.a. Dave Portnoy. Piazza, Mike Stanley. Topps gold card screwed up because they're stuck together. Willie Banks. Steve Cook. Leaned. This is brutal. Rick Sutcliffe, Kelly Wunsch. Whatever. All right, somewhere if you put these in the freezer, they don't stick. Ah, true that is. I have to try it. It can't get any worse. Ugh, sounds like I'm cracking bubble wrap. Just don't get stuck on the good ones. You know, like if I get the Nolan, like that's fine. You know, stick on everything else but the Nolan. Ray McDavid, Bob McDonald, Mark Dewey, stuck to Mike Butcher. Sucks. Kevin Rogers, Jeremy Burnitz, Piazza. How's that look on the surface? Not too bad. Off center, not going to get a 10. Still, cool card. What we got left? Nope. Shane Mack, Jose Valentin, and another screwed up gold card. Roger McDowell. He was my favorite in MTV Rock and Jock Softball, if anybody remembers that one. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. Tune in again next time. Open some more of these packs. Thanks.